4, 3, 2, 1.
Science. It's smoking. Yes, it's smoking because it just exploded.
Repeat after me. An explosion.
An explosion.
It's when stuff.
It's
really big. Really fast. Let's see if we can make this sandwich bag get really big fast. Okay. So, safety first.
3, 2, 1.
Now careful, if I don't cut the right wire, it's going to blow.
Now relax, this is mostly perfectly safe.
Make explode. And put the chemical reactants together. Ooh. Wow. Nice. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. Hey!
I think I have an idea.
Cleanliness is
What if we put in more sugar?
What happens if we put some more? Who wants to find out?
Yeah.
As scientists, we have to find out. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I got it sealed. Now I'm going to flip it over and give it a little shake and then stand back.
Alright, I'm about to create a chemical reaction which will greatly increase the pressure inside this bottle. When the pressure is increased, it will escape through the path of least resistance, which is up through the geyser tube. Are you ready?
Maybe that, Gloria. Do it again. Wow, that's a lot of exploding.
Science just happened.